At the Academy of Therapeutic Hypnosis, our hypnotherapy certification training is the most dynamic, career-focused hypnotherapy training course available anywhere in Australia, or around the world for that matter. We equip our graduates with the skills, knowledge, techniques, and most importantly, the confidence to start seeing clients immediately and build a highly successful practice based on techniques that have been tried, tested, refined, and perfected over thousands of clients. Techniques such as quitting smoking and other addictions, weight loss, phobias, anxiety, and panic attacks. These are all things that people are most likely to seek hypnotherapy for. Hi, I'm Juanita Smith, and I began working with clients over 7 years ago to help people overcome these issues. The techniques, tools, and process that I was taught by my teacher was so powerful and effective that my practice exploded, and I was fully booked out in 2 clinics within 2 months of starting my new career. Clients refer me to friends and family and even wanted to learn what I was doing, which is why I started teaching. So if you're ready to start a new career that's rewarding in every way, personally, professionally, and financially, or if you're a life coach, a psychologist, or a counsellor wanting to have a greater impact with your clients and to increase your clientele, then this course is for you.